Sit down, relax, and prepare to get the most out of your gaming experience with TBI Pro X64 Ultimate Keyboard. New generation customizable RGB backlight will make your gaming experience more fun and vibrant. 7 different easy-to-switch backlight modes: cool, vivid, and deep in color. Control brightness, frequency, and breathing mode to match your style. Tactile keys, just like in professional gaming mechanical keyboards. Taste the click and don't lose the moment of pressing. Fixed tilt to reduce muscle strain and make your gaming sessions comfortable. Your hands won't get tired after many hours of use. 8 one-touch multimedia and quick access keys to check mail, get to internet browser, or even control your music playlist without leaving the game. 25 anti-ghosting keys for high-speed operations and playing without fear of missing a key or unexpected keystrokes. 12 function combinations including one-click movement, key switch, and many others. The keyboard is ideal for any task and compatible both on Windows and Mac. TBI Pro X64 Ultimate. If your game is your life, make it stunning.
Introducing Keychron K2, an 84-key wired or wireless dual-mode mechanical keyboard. It's much smaller compared to the traditional 87-key keyboard, but it still offers the most commonly used shortcut keys. Designed for both Mac and Windows, it allows you to switch between OS easily. It also offers Mac function keys, which lacks in most other keyboards. K2 features Gateron switches that will give you excellent tactile feedback. Whether you are like linear, clicky, and a little in between, we've got you covered. Featuring white and RGB backlit, it has over 15 different light effects. You can switch between them with one touch. With the adjustable rubber feet stands, an incredible typing experience is yours. With the largest battery capacity inside any mechanical keyboard ever, the K2 is good enough to last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The K2 allows you to connect up to 3 devices at once, making it the most productive and efficient mechanical keyboard on the market. K2 also features a Type-C interface for those who want to use it in wired mode. K2 is not just any other mechanical keyboard, but a brilliant typing experience you can't resist.